So, a little cheat that I've learned over the past couple years is that if you are do your water pop on your wood and it's kind of cold out or in a hurry for it to dry, I take a torch. You can see it's wet right there, and I just lightly go over it. It doesn't burn it; it actually dries the wood, and it'll be ready. As soon as you just go over it all, you can see the color of the wood go out of it, but it helps you with the whole process of sanding it down. It saves time. You just don't want to make sure that you don't do it too much where it actually burns the wood. And if you're wondering what this wood is, it's zebra wood. Looks like a zebra. Anyway, that's my how do it for the day.